Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add fonts to your text in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Adobe After Effects. You'll be greeted by this menu right here where you can get started with creating your new composition for your project. And here is our composition name. We can go and select the quality of the composition, such as the width, height, and so on. Fill out all the info that you need, and after that click OK and we can get started. So guys, now here is our composition and our project, and we can get started with selecting our fonts for our text. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and add the text if we haven't already. So to be able to add text, just go right here at the top of the screen and find all the menu options, and one of them is going to be called the horizontal type tool. So go ahead and select horizontal type tool, and you can go ahead and get started with adding your text right here. I'm going to type out anything, let's say tutorial, and now we can get started with changing our fonts. So basically guys, all you need to do to go ahead and manage your fonts is look right here at the right side of the screen. So on the right side of the screen you can see this menu of options, and one of them is going to be your character menu. So in your character menu guys, you can get started with selecting your font. As you can see, currently I am using Times New Roman, so you can go ahead and select the font that you want to use. And as you can see, you can even go ahead and show fonts from Adobe if you want more fonts than you have. So you can go ahead and find all the fonts that you have right here, and if you want to add new fonts, you can just go to the file option right here into the import option. So go to file, import and file, and select the font that you want to use in Adobe After Effects and input it right here into your project, and it's going to appear right here that you'll be able to use for your text. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.